Cool, okay. We're gonna unbox the DJI Mavic Mini Fly More combo. We bought this so we can take it to Iceland and also to our upcoming trip to Mexico. So let's get into it. Here's the drone itself in a nice carrying case. We'll go into that a little bit more. Here's another box. Looks like it's the prop guards, which we can take a look. It's the AC adapter charger. Looks like instruction booklet. And then also, this feels like a pack of batteries. We'll take a look. But first, let's get into the carrying case. It's a nice carrying case. Well built. Pretty nice color. And here's the drone itself. Wow, it is small. It's light. Even though I know the battery's not in here yet, but we'll unfold that and then play around with it in a bit. All right, next thing. This looks like the controller. The controller actually it weighs more than the drone, and I think it is bigger than the drone. So this will unfold. Like the antennas, and then you put your phone right in here. It comes with a little bit joysticks too that you screw on like that. So that's easier to pack when you're not using it. I have a feeling it's easy to lose these though, so just gotta make sure you snap them back in there. That's pretty cool. That's that piece. Oops. Here's the battery charger, I'm guessing. Yep. And cool thing is you can charge 3 batteries at the same time, so you don't have to, and it also acts as a storage holder. So you can just carry all your batteries, put it in here. And I think you can also plug in a USB device so you can possibly charge your phone from the batteries if you're not using it. So that's pretty cool. What else do we have? Mystery box. Extra propellers. So sometimes you will break the propellers, so you have some extras that you can have. Change it up if you need. This is, let's see. Let's see if I can open it. More accessories. Here's the cable that connects from the controller to your phone. So I think there's an iPhone Lightning cable, a USB micro, and a USB-C. So that's great. I'll fit all the phones out there. So they do give you these little extra joysticks. So it's in the bag here, but I break it open. So you know how I said that you could lose those joysticks? So at least they give you a spare pair of those, so that's nice. USB cable so you can charge your battery charger, and another cable as well. So not really the coolest stuff. A little screwdriver so you can change your propellers. If you break one, you can replace it in the field. That'll be nice to have to carry in a kit here. It's interesting though, they don't really give you a little spot to put everything, so you might need to put it in a little Ziploc bag or something else to keep it all together. Right, so everything fits nicely in the case. I'm gonna find a little solution for all these accessories so they don't just roll around. But yeah, the controller fits nicely in here. Drone fits this way. Battery charger. So yeah, it's nice, easy way to carry it. Keeps it protected as well because the drone itself is light, and it's because it's light, it's going to be a little bit flimsy. So you want to make sure you have protection for this. And then you can unfold the drone. Battery door. And to unfold the drone. Flips down this way. Your battery goes right in here. I haven't charged batteries yet, nor am I actually going to turn the drone on indoor. And then there's a little gimbal and camera protector, so you got to make sure that you remove that before you fly, as well as put it back on after every flight, so that it's protected. Cool. It sits like that. What else came with the kit?
Ready?
Cool. So yeah, 3 battery comes with the kit, which I think each battery can last up to 30 minutes of flying time, which is probably under optimal conditions, but still, it's nice to have 3 batteries. Especially when you fit them on in a carrying pack and a charger. It's really nice to have versus other drones that come before it. We have some documentation. What's in the box, quick start guide, disclaimer and safety guidelines. Pretty much, yeah, stuff you should read through, but I'm obviously not going to go through it here. And then the last big box, I believe they are just the, I don't know if I'm going to use these or not, but they're propeller guards. It makes this a lot less portable, but I guess it protects some of your propellers a little bit more, but I'm most likely not going to use these just because how the heck am I going to carry them in a backpack? So use it, lose it. Maybe if I'm playing around here and not traveling, I'll use it, but otherwise they're going to stay at home. That's pretty much it. I'm going to charge it, set it up, and then we're going to do another video where we actually start flying this thing. So that's the mini Mavic Mini unboxing. Heard lots of great things about it, so we're gonna play around with it when we're in Mexico.